I finally found the perfect Zoom training and webinar setup using only 2 devices. You really have to watch till the end to see how this works so beautifully.
Oh my goodness!
If I can automate, so can you. Hi bosses, I'm Shannon and welcome to The Automated Boss, where we help coaches, content creators, and small business owners increase work productivity by sharing and reviewing softwares, tech, and productivity hacks. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you can be notified for more videos like this. If you are a fellow trainer or speaker who needs to share slides over your Zoom trainings or webinars, you will know that once you share slides on your computer and basically go in full screen mode, it just takes over your entire screen. In normal situations, if you share screen and you go to PowerPoint slides, you go on full screen sharing, you will basically be stuck, right? So you can take a look at participants' videos over here, just adjust them, which is fine, but they will cover your screen, right? And then if you want to take a look at your notes, then it's going to be a problem because you need to toggle between your slides as well as your notes. And then you want to change the slide, you have to click on the slide and then click again and then go back to your notes. So it's really troublesome. So when I saw photos of my fellow trainers and speakers, Zoom setups and virtual training setups, I was in awe. They had like 3 to 4 screens to fit like their slides, the notes, participants' faces, Zoom chat, etc. 2 cameras, a controller thingy, a microphone, softbox lighting, and just basically the whole work. And my goodness, I really wanted that too because, well, I'm a software and gadget girl and I really love such things. But my desk was just way too small for all of these things, and there's really no way that I can configure my room layout to fit a bigger desk. So I tried to use my laptop and then connected my iPad as a sidecar, but unfortunately that took up quite a lot of the internet bandwidth and I was lagging most of the time. So I just scrapped that idea and used my one and only trusty laptop, my MacBook Pro. Until recently, I chanced upon this. So this is all there is to it. One laptop, one iPad, not connected at all. They are in the same Zoom. That's it. So on the iPad, I have already put in my PowerPoint slides and I open it using Microsoft PowerPoint app. And then I would go to play button over here. So it's on full screen mode. And I would switch it over to the Zoom. I would then go to share content and there's no PowerPoint slides here, so I would go to screen and it would say start broadcast. So there's a countdown of 3 seconds. I would then quickly switch over to the PowerPoint slides, and as you can see over here on my main Zoom, ta-da, the slides have appeared. Now on my main Zoom on my laptop, I have already set as gallery mode, side-by-side gallery mode, as you can see over here. So normally it's like this, it's a really big screen, but I, in this case, will choose to make it a little bit smaller so I can see all of the participants' faces over here. But however, there's only 2 of us right now. But if you have more, there's obviously going to be more rectangles and smaller, of course. Then I'll click on escape and get out of the full screen mode, and I would make this a little bit smaller, and ta-da! As you can see, this is my notes. Ta-da-da! So this is where you can see all your different screens over here side by side. And yeah, so you can make this maybe a little bit bigger, up to you. And you can maybe adjust this divider over here so your PowerPoint slides are a little bit bigger, up to you, doesn't really matter. So more importantly is I can take a look at my notes over here and look at my eyes. My eyes are actually looking into the camera still, but my fingers are actually pressing the slides on my iPad. So all I need to do is just slide, and then one point, the animation will work too. I just slide again, slide my finger, and it will appear 0.3, 0.4. And yeah, so I can take a look at my notes. My eyes does not have to turn to the side to look at my iPad for notes, for example, or maybe somewhere else if you have another different device. Yeah, I can just keep looking into the camera on my main laptop and occasionally just look down to see the notes over here. Really easy. So when I slide my finger and the slide changes, I can always see what's happening from the corner of my eyes. So I know that, okay, my slides are working, everything's going fine. I don't really need to read the slides, but I can take a look at my notes over here. Now, if I want to take a look at the Zoom chat, I can always put it somewhere here. Yep, so now I can have everything I need on my laptop. Isn't this amazing, guys? And if you want to get out from the PowerPoint, I can just pinch and it will minimize. To stop share, I will just go back to Zoom and click on Stop Broadcast. And you can see immediately it stops broadcasting. To get out of the screen broadcast, I just need to tap on it and ta-da! And let me share with you something else that's really cool. Go to Share Content, Whiteboard. And ta-da! Oh my goodness! It is now shared as a whiteboard. So with my Apple Pencil, I can literally use this as a whiteboard, like a flip chart or whatever, you know, virtual, there's no such things, but now we can have this. It's so cool. So this is pencil or pen. This is the eraser, which you can erase off. And then these are like shapes that you can use, changing the colors over here. Maybe let's change this to red. Oh, pretty cool. And there's even more as well. You can click on text. So type text over here, change the color maybe to black, and you can have like little squiggly stuff over here, which I think this correlates with the pen. Yep, and the thickness that you can use. And we have highlighter. Oh, this is so cool. So many different functions. And what is this? A light? Oh, like this is like a pointer. Yep, so this is so cool. And you can have, you want to highlight something and then change it, move it. Yep, you can do so over here too. If you want to delete your drawing, you can just click on the trash can here, clear my drawing, clear all drawing, and clear others' drawing. This is new. The last time I did not have this. So apparently other people can draw on your screen as well. Yeah, because of annotate, and you can clear others' drawing. So I'm just going to clear all drawings and ta-da! So if you want a new one, new page, yep, you can go to this page over here. And now you have two different whiteboards. Oh my goodness. So you can choose only use Apple Pencil, but if you don't have Apple Pencil, then it's okay. You can still use your fingers. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is very thick, so I'm just going to change it to a smaller one, a thinner one. Finger typing. This is really awesome. Show thumbnail videos, you don't have to. So yep, the video is gone. And you can save the photos as well after you have completed your drawing, maybe your formulas to your participants or whatever it is, right? So yep, so cool. What is smart shape recognition? Ooh. So if you want to draw like a square, a circle, it will make into a circle for you, a triangle and rectangle. Oh, wow. This is really cool. It just smoothens out your lines for you as well. So once you're done with it, you can just stop share. This is so cool, right? So share this video out to all your fellow trainers, coaches, speakers, and whoever else needs to run slides over Zoom. And subscribe for more videos like this. If I can automate, so can you.
Oh my goodness.